Got a ribeye for supper. Oh, my juice is sliding down. Butter. What? Huh? You want butter steak? You like that? Good.
I want more.
That's good steak, huh? You love that? Mm-hmm.
I want more.
Okay. It's crazy here. I love you so much. Who's that pretty girl? Sissy. Prettiest girl I ever did see. The most beautiful girl in the world, huh?
No.
You are.
No.
You're the most beautiful girl I ever did see.
No.